Welcome to this introduction to algebra. Today, we are going to explore exponents, specifically looking at their meaning and how we write them. This is a fundamental concept that you will see everywhere in mathematics. First, let's look at the parts of an exponential expression. We have a large number, called the base, and a small number raised to the top right, called the exponent. The base is the number that gets multiplied. The exponent tells us how many times to use that base in multiplication. The most important thing to remember is that an exponent represents repeated multiplication. When you see 4 with an exponent of 3, it does not mean 4 plus 4 plus 4. It means 4 times 4 times 4. You are writing 3 copies of the number 4 and multiplying them all together. There are specific ways to read these aloud. If the exponent is a 2, we say the base is squared. For example, 5 squared. If the exponent is a 3, we say the base is cubed, like 5 cubed. For any exponent 4 or higher, we simply say 5 to the 4th power, 5 to the 5th power, and so on. Let's calculate 2 to the 4th power together. This means we multiply 2 by itself 4 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And finally, 8 times 2 is 16. So 2 to the 4th power equals 16. Why do we call an exponent of 2 squared? Because it literally forms a square. If you take 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, you get 9. As you can see here, if you arrange 9 dots, they form a perfect square with sides of 3. Similarly, an exponent of 3 is called cubed because it represents the volume of a cube. 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. You can stack 8 smaller blocks to create a larger cube that is 2 blocks wide, 2 blocks high, and 2 blocks deep. Here is the most common mistake beginners make. Do not just multiply the base by the exponent. 4 squared is 16. It is not 4 times 2, which would be 8. Always remember to multiply the base by itself, not by the exponent number. To wrap up, remember these 3 things. The base is the number you multiply. The exponent counts how many times you multiply it. And finally, exponents are shorthand for repeated multiplication, not simple multiplication.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.